More than 400 tools for less than 400 bucks. Is it worth it? We'll talk about it in just a second. I'm Tim Johnson, and you're watching Shop Tool Reviews. So this is the Husky Tools 432-piece mechanics tool set, and the product number is H432MTS. Pretty self-explanatory. This set comes with 432 tools, or pieces if you will. Now, how many actual tools are in the kit? Because a lot of kits like that, they inflate it with a lot of little 1/4-inch bits and things like that. Now, this kit does have that. However, there are two types of tools that make this kit well worth the money, and that is the sockets and the wrenches. Just in sockets, you get 229 sockets. Just in wrenches, you get 74 wrenches. In those wrenches, you get standard wrenches as in non-ratcheting, as well as ratcheting wrenches in SAE and metric. In the metric wrenches, you get everything from a 5.5 millimeter, so a 5.5 millimeter, all the way up to a 32 millimeter wrench. And in the SAE, you get everything from a 1/4 inch all the way up to 1.25 inches. So you're really covering the gamut as far as sizes there. You also get shallow well and deep well 6-point, shallow well and deep well 12-point as well in SAE and metric in both of those. So you're getting a true coverage of tools pretty much across the gamut. Now, you're not getting that new mid-size, or I shouldn't say new, but you're not getting that mid-size unit, so that may be something that you want to purchase as well. But the shallow well and deep well sockets should really take you anywhere you want to go, especially for that entry-level mechanic or for that DIY person. In addition to the sockets and wrenches, you also get a great assortment of ratchets as well. So you get your standard 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive regular ratchets, as well as you get flexible head ratchets in the 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive as well. So that's great to have a part of that kit. Now, you also get a nice assortment of extensions for each drive size as well, from the 12-inch 1/2 inch you see here to a probably a 9-inch 3/8 drive, even the shorter ones. You get adapters, you get 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive, security Torx, regular Torx, as well as Phillips and flathead as well. And then you get things like 8-point, so you get, I think, 5 or 6 8-point sockets, so some of those specialty sockets as well. So you're really covering the gamut on a lot of these tools. Now, where does this fit? Because, like I said, as far as quality or as far as value is concerned, I really feel like between the ratchets, the sockets, and the wrenches, you're getting your money's worth. 400 bucks, so for less than $1 a tool, you're getting a complete set that should really outfit most of your hand tools that you will need as a mechanic, at least starting out. As your specialty stuff comes along, you'll have to purchase those things. But here's my point. Now, if you're a 20-year veteran in mechanics and you're going to argue with me on whether or not this toolkit's worth it, it's really not your equation to be in. I mean, you're probably outfitted with a lot nicer tools. I'm talking to that person that's entering the market, that's entering the industry, if you will, or that DIY person in their garage. I really think these tools are going to last them. They're going to work for you. They're going to get your feet wet and start making you money, so that then if you want to upgrade your tools, then that is your prerogative. But the ridiculous part is, if you're going in and entering into the industry as a mechanic, and you're just dumping your entire paycheck or half your paycheck on tools that are out of your price range, that's kind of silly when you have these tools available to you. And there's a Home Depot about everywhere, and about every community, if you will, and they have a lifetime warranty. Now, let's talk about the lifetime warranty. I noticed something when I got this toolkit. I was going through, I was organizing it and setting it up, and I was trying to kind of get everything a once over and see the quality of it, look at how the things were milled and things like that. They look pretty good. One thing I noticed, I had an 18 millimeter deep well socket, and it looked a little odd as I was putting it in the organizer, and I thought, man, that reflected a little different. So I picked it up and looked at it, and it was like it went through whatever the stamping process of this or the engraving or what have you on it, and that there was kind of almost a flat spot where it just missed it. You couldn't read Husky, you couldn't read the 18, and I thought, you know what? This is a good opportunity. I'm not going to contact my Home Depot person that I know at Home Depot, or one of the people there, or I'm not going to contact one of the Husky people that I've met over time. I'm going to walk in my Home Depot, go to the customer service counter and say, hey, I got a socket, I just can't read it. And so I did that. And I really wanted to see hey, is this going to be kind of give me trouble when I'm exchanging this socket? And it's really not an easy, hey, bring it in, hand it in, we'll give you a new one. So I walked into Home Depot, walked to customer service. I said, hey, by the way, I've got this toolkit, got this big Husky toolkit, and one of the sockets I can't read. And it almost seemed like she might give me trouble, but I think she just wasn't understanding what I was saying. And then she looked at it because it was brand new, and she thought, what's the problem here? And she's looking at the drive. And I said, no, you just can't read it. You can't see how you can't hardly read the 18 and see how you can't read the Husky. She looked at it right away. She goes, you know what? She goes, go and get a toolkit and bring it back to me. I said, no, I don't have the toolkit. I've already put it away in my toolbox and everything. I've just got the socket. She goes, no. Just go get a toolkit that has the 18 in it that you want. Bring it back to me. I'll open and exchange the sockets. I did that. So I did have to walk to the tool aisle and grab the kit that I needed to be able to pull out the 18 millimeter. That was it. I was done. She cut open the package. She pulled out the 18 millimeter socket, handed it to me, and I was out the door. No questions asked, no receipt needed, no pictures needed, no validation needed, no asking my name, phone number, anything. Walked in, handed them a socket, told them my story, and exchanged it. So I'm going to validate that warranty to be good. So I was pretty impressed. So great job there, Home Depot. Great job, Husky. But again, so 432 piece toolkit, less than $400, 399 bucks, I think is what it's at right now at Home Depot. You get various other items in there as well. I don't think we need to go over that. I'll list that in the actual in the actual description, so you can actually link to it and actually see all the tools it comes with. But like I said, the ratchets, the sockets, the wrenches and ratcheting wrenches alone, and some of the specialty tools, adapters, extensions, well worth the money for 400 bucks. Yes, made in China, but good quality stuff. I think it's going to last you. Entry-level person, I think it's a great toolkit for you. Don't go in debt when you're entering the industry. Make some money, then spend it where you want to. Hey, listen, 432 piece toolkit from Husky Tools. I think it's a great toolkit, especially for the money. Great value, great warranty. Check it out at homedepot.com. Also keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. Please hit that bell notification so you're notified of future videos, and have a great day.